what I represent, what I believe, baby, because hogs out there, stay strong, stay healthy, because you see, healthy mind, healthy heart. We boasting, we heart, we soul, forevermore, whatever represents that Sons of Liberty. True North Original, family destiny. Because you have to eat, they want to eat. Well, we have whoa, baby. So what is look at how you doing, and you chicken smash, are you entertained? Because we have a Hollywood entertainment that you never seen before. Because I love the camp, love the cook, love to be a single father, love, passion, forevermore. So thank you all, appreciate you all. I feel great to be here. Listen to that. Look at that. There's my beautiful warrior down there. Yeah, Kiwi. Woo. Oh, oh. Laugh, smile, have some fun. Thank you. Appreciate it. God, you my little lady. Woo, check. Never time, Maria. But today has been right because of all. So thank you. Woo. Jackie boys here out there. Tuesday. I'm going in. You don't ever take a day off. We're the best motherfucking TV show. Feel that? That's those Bollywood spirit in my heart and soul. So fuck the police. Fuck all those shots. I cannot live, baby. Because, woo! Jackie boy. Hey, you Kiwi. Oh, you can do that. What a beautiful thing. Represent what you love. Represent what you believe. Because this is freedom. This is where I go to unwind and the yoga of the mind. The beautiful mind that I am. Thank you for Briscoe County Bird Fans. Appreciate you all. Thank you all. Hopefully, you know. Let me slam my pie. Wherever you're at in this world, you got friendly things. 989-858-6158. Because we're going to help you rise up with positivity, hope, and belief. Because we shake this own bitch up like a tree, baby. Ow! Jackie boy's me. Ooh. Feel good? Yes, indeed. I feel. It feels good to be the king of kings, baby. Thank you all. I love you all. Throw it up after all. Because you know you're the best for life ever.